Alright, we actually have a fun day planned today. Well, this is part of it. We just came from a car show. We took the dirt bikes out. As you can see, I have dirt all over my face. And now we're doing a challenge to try and see if we can start fire with, what's it called again? A flint and stone?
Flint and steel.
Flint and steel. Sorry, I should have known that. Alright, it's my turn to try. Maybe I'll give you guys a tour.
That was a good one.
We're getting like sizzling ones going. Like.
Yeah, you gotta give it a good flick.
I did it!
You did it! Put the sticks on.
Okay, sticks. It's pretty impressive. Okay, it's gonna go out, but we're just doing this for a fun challenge, so it's fine. Because we gotta leave soon, but... Give him a tour of the...
Give him a tour.
I didn't build this, he built it. It's all made from the materials around, except for somewhat like rope.
Yeah, only rope.
Some walls.
Yeah.
Which are still in the works. Roof. With a bunch of
Leaf litter.
Leaf litter.
Window.
Here so we can spy on the beach. This is what's happening on the beach. Okay. I think my favorite part is the bar. Bar's nice. It's good.
And she's not gonna tell you this, but as the fire's going, building a dock on private dock.
Violation, and they ran everyone off.
So, it's a new day, and we're going fishing. We're trying to target pike today, so I'll show you guys my setup in a second here. I can even, oh, there we go. So, this is the setup for pike. I'll show you guys what this looks like in the water. So we sort of gave up on pike, but we found a huge carp hole. So there's a ton of ginormous carp. Unfortunately, we don't really have the setup for carp ready. Ian's just running to the store down the road to get some worms. Hopefully we have some luck. I haven't really caught fish this year or anything like super crazy, so it'd be nice to just catch something big. We went out on the boat last night, no luck. It was still a little bit too cold, so we're gonna wait until July. Oh, there's another carp. I'm gonna show you guys the carp. A bunch of them are coming up right now. Look, right there. And there's two over there. 1 and 2. Yeah, honestly, I'm excited. I just want to catch a fish. I don't care. I just want it to be like a little bit bigger than a sunfish because I'm sick of catching dinks, okay? So I'm excited. He's back, guys, with the goods. I should go help him with the rods. I just left everything over there. Okay, 1 second. Oh, it's a catfish.
Good.
Yeah. I don't know.
We don't like catfish here.
No. Sorry.
But it's a fish.
It is a fish nonetheless. Aggressive. We're back in the forest. The dirt bike, shack, fire going. We're gonna cook up some food. We got the fire going. We're just waiting for the coals to start, and then we're gonna put the grill on and cook the food.